Introducing the Smeg Stand Mixer. Available in a variety of different colours, it will complement or add a pop of colour to any kitchen. Apart from looking beautiful in the kitchen, the Smeg Mixer has a whole host of features that's going to allow you to save time but also create beautiful bakes too. With a powerful 800-watt direct drive motor and a cast aluminium base, this mixer can cope with large mixes and remain stable at the same time. The Smeg Stand Mixer comes with a 1.4 litre stainless steel bowl, which is not only lightweight but is easy to clean and dishwashable. You can even find guidance on the base of the machine on how to lock and unlock the bowl in position. Its ergonomic design with the locking mechanism at the end of the machine and the controls along the top mean you can position it whichever way round you wish within the kitchen. The Smeg Stand Mixer comes with 3 attachments: the dough hook, the beater and also the wire whisk. The dough hook is brilliant for kneading bread doughs but also pasta doughs. The flat beater for beating heavy cake mixes but also for rubbing butter into flour for pastries, shortbread and scones. And the wire whisk for whipping air into mixes such as egg whites and double cream. The speed selector on the top of the machine even offers guidance as to which accessory should be used on which speed setting. The smooth start mechanism and the pouring shield are great at keeping contents within inside the bowl during mixing. And the auto switch off mechanism will activate if the head is accidentally lifted without switching the machine off first. The Smeg Stand Mixer uses a planetary action to ensure effective mixing within inside the bowl. For full use of the stand mixer, the front hub can be removed and additional accessories fitted such as slicing and grating, meat grinding and sausage making, and also pasta rolling and cutting. It's also possible to fit an ice cream churn into the stainless steel bowl to not only make ice cream but sorbets too. The Smeg Stand Mixer will not only look great in your kitchen, but with all the accessories provided will really help enhance the performance and speed of your baking. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.